Mod number 9, Flowmaster Exhaust. I kind of have it a little bit janky right now. If you could see, well, I'll show you actually. It's kind of loud out here, so hopefully these mics are good enough to like not catch the noise. My current exhaust, I cut off the resonator right here, and that was it. Yeah, full catback exhaust. I'm pretty pumped for this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. See how it looks. Wow, it's pretty freaking nice. It's a 3-inch, so it's gonna give it a pretty good deep tone. Got all the clamps right here. I believe these are the tips. And you have the option with this one. You have the option of going either back exit right here or side exit right here. But I have no idea which one I'm gonna do yet, so we'll see. We'll see what I decide. So the instructions said to mark 2.5 inches off the catalytic converter, and I'm gonna cut right here. So this should be fun. There we go. Luckily, I already took the exhaust apart before, so like some of them are already off their hangers. I just need to like remove the ones off the back. It's easy enough. It's only like 2 or 3. Hell yeah. And that's the last piece. Now that the exhaust is off, I pieced the new one back together, going from up there and coming to the back. Damn it, I'm too big for this shit. It says to install this loosely on here with the bolt facing down. Rotate the inlet pipe level with the outlet towards the passenger side of the vehicle. I think that works. And then obviously I'm going to clamp that down later. Okay, so now it's a little bit hung. Don't take that out of context, but it's hanging there, so that's good. Now I need to figure out if I want to do a side exit or if I want to do rear exit, but I think I'm going to go with rear exit, just I think it's going to look better. Okay, so I'm almost done, but I kind of like the side exit. I don't know. That looks pretty good. It's a very nice hanger setup. I really like how they do this. Instead of like welding the hanger, it gives you a little bit of adjustment to be able to, you know, not have the exhaust sitting in one specific spot. It's actually super nice. After this, I just put on the muffler and I'm good to go. It only took me like an hour and a half, which isn't too bad considering exhausts usually take a lot longer to do, but then again, this is just a bolt-on, so it's actually really nice. It's on here, it's really well done. All right, last piece. Okay, exhaust is done. Time to see what it sounds like. That sounds way better. I love it. I'm so happy with it. So that's it for install number 9. Number 10 coming up in literally like the next hour. I'm doing a front lip, so hell yeah.